Good morning. Today we will discuss the matrix inversion by Gauss elimination method. Matrix inversion. The given A matrix. A is a 3 cross 3 matrix. It is a non-singular square matrix. It is a non-singular square matrix. We have to find out the inverse of the matrix by using Gauss elimination method. For that, we can use the formula Ax equal to I. Ax equal to I. The A stands for 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 non-singular square matrix. Non-singular square matrix, and X also 3 cross 3 non-singular square matrix. This is for A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. The same thing, X equal to X 11, X12, X13, X21, X22, X23, X31, X32, X33. And I, the I represent for unit matrix. Unit matrix. Here A and Y, A and X both are 3 cross 3 non-singular matrix. For that, I is the unit matrix. This is also 3 cross 3 matrix. So we can write I 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is for I value. This is for X value, and this is for A value. All the three value substitute in equation 1. This is for A value, and this is for X value equal. This is for I value. Here let A be a singular square matrix of order 3. We know that the inverse of A is a matrix X which is satisfy the relation Ax equal to I. Here the I is the third order unit matrix. Now to find out the elements of the inverse matrix X. Inverse matrix X by using the Gauss elimination method. First, we have to make A21 and A31 0. A21 and A31 we have to make 0 by using the Gauss elimination method. This is the step number 1. Step number 2, to make A32 also 0. A32 also 0 by using Gauss elimination method. After that, A21, A31, A32, all the three terms 0. Now we can get the three equations: equation 2, equation 3, and equation 4. In equation 2, we can write this is for A and this is for X, and I value we can take only the first column. We can take the only first column. Here A21, A31, A32, all the three terms 0. So we can find out the value of the value. There are three equations. 1, 2, 3. There are three equations. From these three equations, we can find out the value of A33 and then this value here using equation 2 it will get the three equations: equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. A21, A31, A32, all the three terms 0. All the three terms 0. We can solve all the three equations. We can get the value for A31 value and x31 value and x21 value and x11 value from using equation 2. The same thing, equation 3, this is for A and this is for B, and we can take the second column of the I. Second column of the I. This is 0, 1, 0. A21, A31 and A32 already 0. Okay, already 0. Now to find out the values of A32, A22, A12 by using these three equations. Now to solve these three, we will get the result A32, A22, X32, X22, X12 by using equation 3. Next, this is for A and this is for X, and we can take the third column of I. Third column of I. Again, the same thing, A21, A31, A32. Already 0 by using the Gauss elimination method. We will get the result for A33, A23, A13 by using three equations. Now to solve these three equations, we will get the x33, x23, x13 by using equation 4. We will get, using second equation, we can get the values of these three. And then equation 3, we can get these three values. From equation 4, we can get these three values. All the 9 values, substitute in the x. This is the inversion of matrix by using Gauss elimination method. Okay. First sum, matrix inversion by Gauss elimination method. Question number 1, find by Gauss elimination method the inverse of A equal to 3 minus 1, 1, minus 5, 6, minus 5, this is a minus. Question number 1, find by Gauss elimination method the inverse of A equal to 3 minus 1, 1, minus 15, 6, minus 5, 5, minus 2, 2. This is for given A matrix. This is for 3 cross 3 matrix. This is for 3 cross 3 matrix. We have to find out A inverse. A inverse means matrix inversion of A. Inverse of A matrix by using the Gauss elimination method. For that, we can write A comma I. A comma I means A matrix, the given matrix, and I is the unit matrix. I is the unit matrix. Now to combine these two, A matrix 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. This is for A, and I is the unit matrix. This is also 3 cross 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. We have to write like this formula. Matrix inversion by using the Gauss elimination method means first we have to make these two terms 0. These two terms 0. For that we have to check A11 value is not equal to 0. If it is not 0 means we can proceed. If A11 equal to 0, we have to rearrange the equations. Okay. First minus, already minus 15 divided by 3 equal to, minus minus will be changed into plus 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Okay. For this one we have to make 0. For that 5 divided by minus 5 divided by 3 equal to minus 5 by 3. First we can make A21 0. For that minus 15 equal to minus 15. This is for plus 5 into the corresponding row 1 value 3 equal to 15 minus, and then 5 into 3 plus 15 equal to 0. Next is 6. 6 equal to 6 plus 5, the corresponding row 1 value minus 1 equal to 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Next to minus 5 plus 5 into corresponding R1 value 1 equal to minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. Next 0 equal to 0 plus 5 into corresponding 1 equal to 0 plus 5 equal to 5. Next 1 equal to 1 plus 5 into corresponding value 0 equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Next 0 equal to 0 plus 5 into corresponding value 0 equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Okay, this is the value. Next one, to make A310 for that 5 equal to 5 minus 5 divided by 3 into corresponding R1 value 3. Here 3 will be answer equal to 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Next minus 2. Minus 2 equal to minus 2 minus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into the corresponding R1 value minus 1 equal to, this is for minus 2. Now multiply this one plus 5 by 3. Okay. Now we can cross multiplication. Minus 6 plus 5 by 3 equal to minus 1 divided by 3 value. Next 2 equal to 2 minus 5 by 3 into corresponding value R1 1. 2 minus 5 by 3 equal to, we can cross multiplication 6 minus 5 divided by 3 equal to 1 divided by 3. Next 0 minus 5 by 3 into corresponding value R1 1 equal to 0 minus 5 by 3 equal to minus 5 by 3. Next 0 equal to 0 minus 5 by 3 into corresponding value R1 0. Now 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Next 1 minus 5 by 3 into the corresponding value 0 equal to 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Okay. Now all this value substitute here. Instead of this one, you can substitute this value. This is for 3 minus 1 0 0. Instead of minus 15 value 0 and 6 value 1 minus 5 value 0 value 5 and 1 value 1 0 value 0. The same thing here, 5 value 0 minus 2 value 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and 2 value 1 by 3 and 0 value minus 5 by 3 and 0 value 0 and 1 value 1. Next, step number 2, to make A32 value 0. A32 value 0, for that minus already minus 1 by 3 divided by the corresponding above row value 1 equal to, this is for minus minus interchange into plus 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. Now to find out this one, minus 1 by 3 equal to minus 1 by 3 and here plus 1 by 3 into the corresponding R value equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Next 1 by 3 value equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into the corresponding R value 0. 1 by 3, this is for full 0 equal to 1 by 3. Next minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3 equal to minus 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into corresponding value 5 equal to minus 5 by 3 here plus 5 by 3 equal to 0. Next 0 equal to 0 plus 1 by 3 into corresponding value 1 equal to 1 by 3. Next 1 equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 into corresponding R value 0 equal to 1 divided by 1 by 3. We can 1 plus, this is for 0 equal to 1. Okay, all this value substitute here equal to 3 minus 1 1 1 0 0. This is for 0, this is for 1 0 5 1 0 0. Instead of minus 1 by 3 value 0 1 by 3 value 1 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 value 0 and 0 value 1 by 3 and 1 value 1. Here A2, A21, A31, A32. All the 3 terms 0 by using the Gauss elimination method. Now there are 9 equations we will get. First we have to separate the column 1, column 2 and column 3. Now to solve all the 3 equations, we will get the x11, x12, x13 up to x33 value. Now the value substitute in A. This is the formula for inversing method. Okay, first we have to find out the value of x11, x21 and x31. x11, x21, x31. For that we can take the first column. We can take the I first column. We can write like this formula: 3 minus 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 by 3. This is for A, this is for A, and corresponding x first column A11, sorry, x11, x21, x31. The same thing, the corresponding first column in I, first column in I 1 5 0. Okay. Now to multiply this one, this is for 3 x11 minus x21 plus x31 equal to 1. This is for equation number 1. Next, this is for 0 and this is for x21 and this is also 0. No need to substitute. Okay, this is for 5. Equation number 2. Next, these two values 0 and this is, we can multiply with this one. 1 divided by 3 x31 equal to 0. This is for equation number 3. Now first from equation 3 1 divided by 3 x31 equal to 0 means x31 equal to 0. Okay. Next one, from equation 2 x21 equal to 5. This is directly given. Next, from equation 1 3 x11 minus x21 plus x31 equal to 1. Now 3 x11 minus x21 value 5 plus x31 value 0 equal to 1. Now 3 x11 equal to 1. The 5 we can take that side plus 5. Now 3 x11 equal to 6. x11 equal to 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. So therefore x11 equal to 2. Okay. x21 equal to 2 value. Next, to find out the value x12, x22, x 3 2. Okay, for that we can take a value. This is a 3 minus 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 3. This is for a value. Now to find out this value, that is x second column, x second column 1 2 x 2 2 x 3 2. The same thing equal to, this is for a x equal to I we have to take the second column in I second column. Now I second column 0 1 1 divided by 3. Okay, now we can multiply this one. 3 x 1 2 minus x 2 2 plus x 3 2 equal to 0. This is for equation number 4. Next, this is for 0 and this is for multiplying this one, x 2 2 and this is for 0 equal to 1. This is for equation number 5. Next, these two values 0. So, this is for 1 by 3 x 3 2 equal to 1 by 3. This is for equation number 6. Using equation 4, 5, 6, we can solve the, or we can find out the 1 2, 2 2 and 3 2 value. From equation 6, 1 divided by 3 x 3 2 equal to 1 divided by 3. Now 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3 cancel. Now x 3 2 equal to 1. X 3 2 equal to 1. The same thing. This is for from equation 5 x 2 2 equal to 1. Next, from equation 4 3 x 1 2 minus x 2 2 and plus x 3 2 equal to 0. 3 x 1 2 minus x 2 2 value 1 plus x 3 2 value 1 equal to 0. These two for 0. Next, x 1 2 equal to 0. X 1 2 equal to 0. This is for 0 divided by 3 equal to 0. So, x 1 2 value 0, x 2 2 value 1 and x 3 2 value 1. Next, to find x third column 1 3, x 2 3 and x 3 3. For that, equal to a value 3 minus 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 3. This is for a. X value ax equal to I. Formula ax equal to I. A value this is 1 and x value we can take the third column. Third column is x 1 3 x 2 3 x 3 3 equal to I. This is the I third column value, this one 0 0 1. Now to multiply 3 x 1 3 3 x 1 3 minus x 2 3 plus x 3 3 equal to 0. This is for equation number 7. Next, this is for 0 and we can multiply with this one. X 2 2 and this is also 0 equal to 0. This is for equation number 8. Next, x 1 3 0, x 2 3 0. Now we can multiply with 1 divided by 3, x 3 3 equal to 1. This is for equation number 9. From equation 9, 1 divided by 3 x33 equal to 1. This 1 by 3 we can take this side. 1 divided by 3 equal to 3. Cross multiplication. Next, from equation 8, x 2 equal to 0. x 2 equal to 0. Next one, from equation 7, 3x13 minus x23 plus x33 equal to 0. This is for 3x13 minus x. This is for 2, 3 value. This is for 2, 3 value. Now this is for 0 plus x33 value 3 equal to 0. And this is for 3 x13. This is for 0 and plus 3 we can take that side minus 3 and then x13 equal to 3 cancel minus 1 value. So we can substitute this value in A inverse. Now to substitute the all x value, A inverse equal to x11, x12, x13, x21, x22, x23, x31, x32, x32. All these values substitute here. x11 value, x11 value 2 and 12 value 0 and 13 value minus 1, 21 value 5 and this is for 1 and this is for 0 and 31 value 0, 32 value 1 and 33 value 3. This is the A inverse, the matrix inversion of A by using Gauss elimination method. Thank you.